Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. AI platforms can generate lesson plans, but they rarely match your specific standards or organizational patterns. Today I'll show you a groundbreaking method to create not just lesson plans and presentation, but any document that perfectly aligns with your requirements and follows your organization's unique format. So let's explore. So you can see here on my screen, this is called Skywork AI. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. I'm going to sign in with Google account, and you can see on the screen, once you sign in with your Google account, you will get 500 credits. So let me sign in. So this website is not free, but you can utilize daily credits and you can do everyday work without paying any money. You can also use multiple Google IDs to get more credits. So what is the idea? So idea is to generate, let's say, lesson plan and presentation according to your exact requirement. So you can see here on the screen, this is a sample lesson plan. So you can use your own template or any lesson plan you like most, you can use that. So it's properly formatted, there is a particular pattern, there are certain way of writing objectives, everything is there. So I want to create another lesson plan for another topic. So how we can generate that? Just click on document first and click on the clip button and upload your lesson plan. I'm uploading my lesson plan here. So you can see here one doc is already attached. So I use a particular prompt. Don't worry, I will share this prompt in the description of the video. So create a lesson plan on the topic of water cycle suitable for year 7 students age 11 to 12. Please use the exact same format, structure, time allocation as the provided example lesson plan, but generate completely new learning objectives, activities and materials that are specifically tailored to teaching the water cycle. So this is very clear instructions to AI, so it can generate exactly what you are looking for. So if you are in a hurry, you can use fast method, but I suggest you can go for deep mode, so it will generate better results. Let's generate. This is mind-blowing. You can see here the exact format has been generated. So you can see here, but the objectives are now changed according to the water cycle, new strategies, and you can download into docx. So you can see here the output, it's super amazing. So it is same as my pattern, same time frames, same objective style, but new content. This is super amazing. Not only lesson plan, you can also generate presentation. Similarly, you can click on slides, attach your format, whatever format you want, and it will generate exactly. So don't worry, I will share the prompt in the description. You can also create Google Sheet, poster, website in the same way. I don't want to make this video very long, otherwise I'll show you one by one. So let's create some slides without giving any format. So click here, slides. I wrote the same topic, the water cycle. You can add more instructions, you can add some template as I told you. I'm just writing the title, I'm not giving anything else. Click here. So you can select how many pages you are looking for. I'm selecting 16 to 20 pages, which are enough. And you can select dark or light theme. Let me select the dark theme. You can also select AI auto planning and decision making. Press continue. Slides outline are generating now. Wow, 18 slides have been generated with amazing pictures, infographics, properly formatted. It's super amazing, honestly. And there is no watermark, and you can download into PPT or PDF or HTML or Google Slide completely free. So you can see here the PowerPoint is ready. It's still editable and completely formatted. So please try this amazing platform and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.